Are you looking for the best foldable mattresses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best foldable mattresses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EconoHome Folding Bed with Mattress. The EconoHome Folding Bed is a convenient and space-saving solution for accommodating guests or creating extra sleeping space in your home. This foldable bed features a strong and stable metal frame that can support up to 300 pounds, ensuring durability and longevity. The included 5-inch thick memory foam mattress provides optimal comfort and support, ensuring a good night's sleep for your guests. With its portable and foldable design, this bed can be easily stored in your wardrobe or under your bed when not in use. The smooth rolling wheels make it effortless to transport the bed to any desired location. Suitable for various settings such as small apartments, guest rooms, dorm rooms, and even workplace lounges, the EconoHome Folding Bed is a versatile and practical addition to any living space. What we like: sturdy frame, comfortable mattress, easy setup, compact storage, good weight capacity. Number 2. Novilla Single Foldable Comfort Foam Mattress. The Novilla Foldable Mattress is designed to support your body comfortably wherever you are, helping to relieve pressure points for a restful sleep. Its unique trifold design lets you use it not just as a mattress but also as a sofa, cushion, or mattress topper, adding versatility to your space. The breathable, washable cover made from soft knitted fabric keeps you cool and fresh by allowing airflow and preventing odors. Inside, the mattress features 2 layers of high-density foam that provide both softness and durability, while a non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place, making it perfect for camping, travel, or home use. What we like: pressure relief support, multifunctional trifold design, breathable, washable cover, durable dual-layer foam, non-slip bottom fabric. Number 3. Novilla King-size Gel Memory Foam Mattress. The Novilla King Gel Mattress offers a comfortable and supportive sleep experience thanks to its gel-infused memory foam that helps keep your spine aligned and eases pressure on hips, shoulders, and back. This means you can wake up feeling refreshed without aches. It also has multiple memory foam layers that provide steady support and reduce motion transfer, so you won't be disturbed by your partner's movements. The mattress features cooling technology with a breathable cover and gel foam that helps regulate your body temperature, keeping you cool all night. Plus, it's made from CertiPUR-US certified foam, ensuring a safe, odor-free sleep environment for your peace of mind. What we like: pressure relief, motion absorption, cooling technology, CertiPUR-US certified, edge support. Number 4. Jukuri 8-inch full-size futon mattress. The Jukuri futon mattress offers an 8-inch thickness that combines soft and firm shredded foam to give you a balanced feel of comfort and support. This design helps keep the mattress in shape while you relax or sleep. Wrapped in soft, breathable corduroy fabric, it feels gentle on your skin and adds a touch of luxury to your space. The mattress is crafted to support your body's natural curves, promoting good spinal alignment and reducing pressure points, which means you can enjoy better posture and comfort. Plus, its flexible design lets you easily switch between a sofa and a bed or use it as a cozy floor mattress, fitting your lifestyle needs smoothly. What we like: 8-inch thick cushioning, soft, breathable corduroy cover, ergonomic spinal support, multi-use versatility. Number 5. MLILY Trifold Memory Foam Mattress Topper. The MLILY Trifold Topper is a versatile and convenient solution for temporary sleeping arrangements or unexpected guests. This trifold memory foam mattress provides strong support and a perfect fit for your body, ensuring a comfortable and restful sleep. It can be easily folded up and carried, making it ideal for travel or outdoor activities. The washable cover allows for easy maintenance and ensures a clean sleeping surface. With its premium structure consisting of gel memory foam and support base foam, this mattress topper effectively distributes pressure points and offers temperature regulation for a cool and comfortable sleep experience. The MLILY trifold topper is easy to use, store, and comes with CERTI-PURUS certification, guaranteeing the use of safe and healthy materials. What we like: strong support, portable and space-saving, temperature regulation,